good morning. My name is Cody Farrell. I'm the number 7 crew chief here on the Blue Angels. I'm the one that's going to be conducting your backstreet ride brief. Congratulations again as well. This is a huge opportunity. I really hope you guys enjoy it.
It's so fantastic to be able to reach out to the community via our key influencer program, and then it's awesome to take one of our own community up here with our media flight as well. So we always see some of the best photographs from Larry here. It's so fantastic to give him this perspective, the in-cockpit perspective of how this looks to be flying in a Blue Jet. So it's incredible. We'll go up and do some aerobatics. We'll go fast, we'll go low, we'll bend the jet around a whole bunch, and
we'll do a lot.
We'll have a great time.
As long as I can remember to squeeze.
That's it. Yep, and we'll practice all that stuff while we're up there and make sure we get you up to the right comfort level.
A little nervous, excited, happy to be here. I am a photographer, but I'm also currently the president for the International Society of Aviation Photography. I have been doing photography close to 40 years. I'm a former Air Force vet. As I said to Scott, who will be my pilot, I've been photographing the Blue Angels since they flew the A4 Skyhawk. I've been around these aircraft, the crews over the years. I've gotten to know a lot of them pretty well. A few of them from Julius to Feed, those guys there, the commanders, it's been a blast. So to have the opportunity to go up in something I've been photographing for years and years, probably gonna have to pinch me when I come back down, because I don't have the words for it right now, but it's gonna be a blast, I think.
Our mission is to showcase the teamwork and professionalism of the Navy and Marine Corps through flight demonstration and community outreach, hoping to inspire a culture of excellence and service to country. I really like our mission statement. It's an absolute privilege and a duty to represent the 800,000 active duty and reserve sailors and Marines that we have. Another incredible privilege and one of the unique roles of being Blue Angel number 7. During the flight demonstration, I'm the narrator, so I get to see the crowd and interact with the crowd, which is fun. And then at each show site, we try and fly one key influencer and one individual from the media. And the ability to, again, execute our mission statement for folks who otherwise would never get to be in the backseat of any kind of fighter jet, let alone one that's painted bright blue and yellow. It's pretty incredible. So many of our individuals that we get to fly with are totally outside the community, and that's fantastic. They're so relevant to their local communities, and Larry is as well, but he also has the added extra of knowing the team and having been around the team and having been around aviation and air shows for so long. So we are not only members of the Navy and Marine Corps, but we're also members of the air show community. And it's always special to be able to share a ride in a Blue Jet with another member of the airshow community and the aviation community at large.
To the guys and gals of the team, it's been a pleasure to cover you and to have the opportunity to slide in your shoes for 45 minutes or so. It's grateful. I'm grateful to have the chance to experience what you guys have been experiencing all the years and all the years I've photographed you. I gotta admit, I was afraid up front, but you did an outstanding job, my friend.
You did great, and you know, there's this might be only one chance to hop in an F-18, and so I was glad you let me push you along a little bit there, and you were extremely up for everything, which is fantastic. So I got to take advantage of those opportunities, and I put you through the ringer. So you know, we had a great time. We did high Gs, we went low, we went fast, we went straight up. We did all kinds of stuff. So yeah, Larry got the full treatment.